Okay, folks, new segment that Tim and I have decided to start. We're going to try to post something up weekly, and we're going to call it Random Reviews. Why are we going to call it that? Because we could possibly be reviewing anything. There's automotive-related stuff, maybe food-related stuff that we find cool, stuff that we're curious about, gadgets that we want to see if they actually work, comparisons, all that sort of stuff. So I'm going to start this episode off with one of the best discoveries that I've made in a while. What I'm talking about is a wire stripper. This guy. Now, the one beauty of this is totally inexpensive. I'll put a link below. There's a couple of different manufacturers that make them, but they're all pretty much the same. Relatively straightforward design. You're gonna stick your wire in here for clipping. You've got adjustments here for the length of strip that you want to do, and it just does all different gauges of wire without having to change any setting. Down, done, stripped. If I want it to be longer, your measurements are along here in inches and in millimeters, I believe. I've been wiring the Bel Air with it, and it has been absolutely fantastic. It's an absolute asset for anyone's toolkit who may at some time find themselves doing a wire job on your car, and it even could be something in the house. I know that there's certain, it'll do, on this guy here, it'll do 24 to 10 gauge. So it'll cover a broad range. Little red thing at the back here, that's just the lock, keeps it closed for you. The only con that I can say about this is that it does not have anything to pinch your fittings onto the end, which is not the end of the world considering how useful it is for every other part of the application that you're doing. I think that this is probably one of the greatest additions to my toolkit that I did this year. So, hope you enjoyed the review, guys. Check out the link at the bottom. There's no sponsorship whatsoever. Basically, what we're trying to do is just pass along some stuff that we've learned over the last little while that has helped our projects move along a lot more smoothly. Have a good one.